Hi, we're wrapping up day 3 at GlassBuild. It's been a great week, and we have lots to talk about. We have 2 Express Learning sessions that Quanex hosted, and I have Ben Brugler with me. He's going to talk about some of the highlights from our user experience and social media Express Learning sessions.
Yeah, so the Express Learning sessions went really well this year. I think there's a lot of interest in things that are going beyond traditional marketing space. We got a lot of great interest in terms of starting to apply social, not just understanding social media from a one-on-one standpoint. I think when you start to see how people want to use it to interact with customers and really start to use it for more of a communication information exchange, but applying that into some type of actionable call to action or something that they're actually wanting to change from a behavior standpoint. We haven't been seeing that in years past. It's been more about volume and pushing it out. I did get to talk about user experience. We're kind of where we were with social media maybe 2 years ago, and starting to understand that UX is not necessarily just seeing how people interact with the site, but it should be more aligned with your business strategy overall. So people really starting to see if I'm trying to accomplish something in a digital space, I need to be thinking about my business objectives in that space just as much as I would with anything else that I'm doing, from sales to internal sales or any of the traditional marketing channels that are being used now. So I think that's a great move in terms of how people are really looking at applying the business strategy to the marketing strategy, which is a great thing to see.
Great, thanks, Ben. We also have a new blog that we launched in Focus on Quanex.com. And Erin, what can we expect to see from this blog?
We're very excited to launch this here at the show, and we have found that customers are looking for weekly, real-time updates, and so what we're doing is we're providing updates as far as marketing analytics in their particular marketplace, economic trends that are happening in the market. We're also providing updates as far as industry association meetings and advocacy meetings as well. And we're also providing updates in terms of what's happening for marketing from Quanex Building Products and what kind of products that we're able to offer, products and services that we're able to offer to customers.
Why don't you talk a little bit about those different marketing resources that customers can come to expect from Quanex?
Yeah, so for instance, actually this morning here at the show, we had a customer that came up and they said, hey, you know, we launched a new website. Is there some way that we could have somebody that looks at our website and provides an audit? I'd like to do a comparison of our website with our competitors. So this is something that a lot of customers ask for. So some other services that customers request are customized brochures that include their technical data. It also includes their renders of their Windows systems, and we're able to provide that. We'll also work with customers on any kind of photography needs that they might need, and videos. So we have found that videos have been very successful and very popular with customers to be able to provide on their website or their YouTube channels as well. So these are just some of the services that customers are requesting to date. Yeah.
And can you talk a little bit about the refreshed digital guide that we just put out?
Yes, so we came out with a digital ebook last year, and it was very popular, and so there's a refreshed book, and what we've done is we've included more data, more timely data in terms of how consumers shop for Windows, and or anything in general. So this digital guide basically walks a customer through, this is what your website should be doing. This is what you should be doing in terms of social media. This is how you should be following up with your customers when you get a call for a window lead, etc.
That's great. Thank you. Well, thank you, Erin. Thank you, Ben. For more of these resources, go to Quanex.com. And that's a wrap from GlassBuild. We'll see you next year.